तो गाइस वेलकम बैक टू द स्ट्रीम्स। तो गाइस मैंने यहाँ पे ट्रेड लिया है बीटीसी में, बट यहाँ पर टारगेट बढ़ा नहीं होगा। इनफैक्ट एक को देख लेता है, इसके बाद उसके हिसाब से प्लान करते हैं। सो हमारा गाइस टीपी यहाँ पे होगा $313 पे टीपी है हमारा। तो टीपी इज $313। इसको टीपी but if you want to enter, use half lots. So what I will do is, if there is a probability that market can go till this level, then it can come down. What I will do is, we put the SL minimum of the minimum. $78 SL I will put, and I will try to capture $310 profit. Because there is a chance that market can go up, get rejected from here, and then it can fall here. So we'll keep the SL minimum. If you are targeting this trade, then you should use half lots for now. If you see the logic for this trade why I have planned is, I have been telling that if there is a double range breakdown, then the last high in the market becomes very important. So that's what has happened. 1 0 1 2 3 4. So third and fourth position becomes important. That's why I'm saying the high is important. That's why there is a possibility the market can go up till this point and then reject to that level. That's why I've kept the SL minimum. Even if it gets triggered, I'll be exiting the trade with a very minimal loss, $70. So hardly I have kept, I think 7-8 pips only SL. It works out fine. 7.5 pips I'm keeping. kept as my SL. It works, then I'll get $310 profit. So that is equivalent to around how much pips? 30 pips. 30 pips at the cost of 7.5 pips. That's why take very less risk in this trade because it is risky. Market can go up here and then it can show fall. If possible, use very less lots because this is a risky trade. That's why I have given very small SL. Had it been here, then I would have given a good risk to reward ratio to have given. But it showed a good fall from below. That's why I did not plan that. So let's see what happens. If it breaks this level below, then target will be achieved. So let's hope it breaks this level. And I will explain you what was the last time I got stopped out. If you go and watch the previous stream, I got one SL hit uh, when I had sold BTC at the higher level. I'll explain you what was the fault on my trade, which might have caused that SL to be triggered. I will explain that. I will break that down as well. But uh, let's concentrate on this trade first. If it hits my target or it does not hit, doesn't matter. We will plan one more trade from here. It is going up. If it sails down, falls aggressively down, we'll keep holding the trade. So this one is a safe target. If market shows very sharp fall, the next target will be this zone. I want to explain what was my fault in the previous trade that caused that SL to be triggered. So that also I will explain once this trade is complete. So very important guys, once you are hit by with an SL, you should know where exactly the fault was and how you can do better in the following trades. So very important to analyze when you are actually making loss in some trade. It's not every time it will be a learning thing for you. So very important that you analyze what happened, what went wrong with that trade. So this market is respecting now. So since our SL is very small, I don't care if it hits or does not hit. So I have told multiple times this is a bit risky. Better trade would be from this level, from this high. So risk only half lots you are risking and target till this level, which is a safe target. That's why I have put a very small sell here. Like momentum is there in the market, it's falling. So let's see what happens. So it's falling sharply. So let's see what happens. Nice, nice. It's falling sharply. So we can let's mark sell in target zones here. Let's go here. Sharp position. This is my sell. And this is my target over here. If two candles are closing now, guys, here below, easily we'll get the target. I want two candles to be closed here below this level. One candle has closed with sharp momentum, so hopefully it should close below. At least two candles will close, not at this time maybe, but it should close ideally. If we are getting the profit on this, we'll be already in break even for today because already 21 pips SL we got in the previous trade. Now we are getting 30 pips profit. I think we will be coming into profits for today. 30 pips will be getting profit if it hits our target then. So I hope I have cleared the logic that has been used for this. First, market I saw it was in bullish momentum. If you have seen my previous live stream, just go back and check. But actually, I planned to sell trade that time because I had seen a 1 minute change of character, but it did not played well, so that we exited that trade with some 21 pips loss. This trade, why you took? Because there is a double range breakdown from bottom, so some from top. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So double range breakdown happened in bottom, so that's why we took this trade. I want two closings to be here. I think we have got it. Just let me recheck again. I think we got, yeah, I think we got two candle closing above, below. So we are good to go. I think it should be fine with this trade. It may happen that it may come up, but it should reject and continue down. So that's a good sign. It's close below this level, two candles. So we are good on this trade. Should be at this level where we entered. So where we entered was on this level. When market retested it, we entered the trade. Some trading gold possible. So this let's talk about this one. Like in gold, if two candles are closing below this level, we'll plan a short in gold. Okay. Let's mark that level. BTC is showing good momentum on the downside. So let's see. Let's see gold. The problem I feel with gold is that it's stop losses. It gives sometimes more big stop losses. So it becomes difficult to actually set because it distorts your asset taking capability. In that case, what we will do if stop loss is more, we will reduce the quantity, but we will make sure we enter the trade is the correct one. Okay. What happened to BTC where it's not going? Should come till here. So there is a possibility still, as I told you, but it should not cross this sign up. So we should be good in BTC in this trade. So only thing is it should not come back here and then stop out and then go. That is the worst situation we can be into. See what is 4.3 minus to 4 is what is the minute time frame. And let's see where is my from this rally where is my huge falling. What is my and see guys, if it comes nearby this we must shift the sell. So it will be as 14 tips to 30 target 1 is to 2 or 1 is to 3, but it should not go up above this. If the momentum in BTC continues on the selling side, we will not change the sell. So that is what it should not come over now. We might pips and then we are in. Let's see gold. Gold has done its done not. So it has not done guys. Still, it has not closed two candles below. One candle it closed, but one did not. So still we have to wait in gold. Nice, nice. Let this trade go through. But let's explain why, what was my fault before winding up, because it is late night. So let me explain what was the issue with the previous trade which I took on the live stream, the previous stream. So, so um, we checked the previous stream. I took the trade in BTC and Bitcoin around this level. I took a second. Yeah, nothing around this level. I took this trade. It went somehow down, somewhat down, but and then it rallied up. The issue with the trade was if we go to 1 hour time frame. So I will mention what was the problem. So this I had said that this is a 4 hour time frame, right? So market should show some rejection over here. That's why on 1 minute change of character, because 5 minute was, if we go to the previous stream I had explained the logic why I took the trade. But here I will explain what went wrong. So I was waiting for a change of character on 1 minute time frame, which I got. Then it retested the change of character level and I entered a short trade over there in the previous string if you go. But the only issue I missed checking was this point. The over there is this 1 hour time frame chart. In the 1 hour time frame, see the 4 hour and 1 hour is coinciding each other. So two candles above the zone had already closed. That when I took the trade previously. So this I missed somehow. So because of that, there was a change of character in the 1 hour time frame as well. So when a major time frame change of character happens, then we should avoid taking the trade in the opposite direction. Here, 1 hour time frame change of character happened in BTC, and since I did not check by mistake, I did not check this 1 hour change of character level, 1 hour change of character thing. My trade was stopped out. So it's very important when you are making a decision. We must do a multi-time frame analysis so that our probability of our trade will increase. But if you see, again I have taken a sell trade, right? There is a reason for that. See, if you see the 1 hour time frame chart, this candle has closed out this high. This becomes a major 1 hour support in the market. So now it becomes very important here. Correct. Since it becomes a very important support here, so market most likely, I'll, if you ask me, planning a buy at this level is the best. And also planning a buy on this level is also possible. But market may just come a little below and then it may rally above. So this is the best place where you can plan a buy in BTC now. Because 1 hour change of character has happened. It's a major time frame in intraday. That has, as I have highlighted in the previous uh, stream. So because I missed that 1 hour change of character, I could have planned a buy there had I seen that one. So that was a miss, and in fact, uh, that is the reason and I was stopped out. And this was the reason. If you go to that trade logic, I was telling two 1 minute candles were there where market was not closing below. So since it did not close, my trade didn't go in my favor. Had I seen that 1 hour change of character with that consolidation and uh, that low being respected, I would have exited the sell trade. Unfortunately, by mistake, I missed that part and I had to pay the price in the previous trade. So here also, I took the sell trade because I knew there is a chance that the market may come down to let the 1 hour time frame play. Here also you can book some profits, guys, because this is the 1 hour level. What I will do is maybe this level. Here is a possibility because this is indeed a 1 hour time frame level. Mm-hmm. This is a good shot. Okay. So I'll see you tomorrow, guys. It's already late. This is the target. We'll see what happens. I will leave the trade as it is because their list is very less. I'll see you tomorrow.